Beautiful, 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 beautiful. A little garden. Center. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. And guys, remember these plants. Hibiscus. Hibiscus plants. Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Different hibiscus. Different colors. Hibiscus plants. Wow. So beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Winchester Sanity. Beautiful plants. So you can do full plant this season if you want. All here at Home Depot. And then you have the mulch for the plants. Brown mulch, red mulch down there, pea pebbles here, potting mix up there, and different things to keep your plants healthy. Perennials. Once and they come back every year. See, you plant this once after snow and then dead out, then come back when it's summertime and springtime. See, this is not bad. The planting is not so bad. So you just plant once. Not bad. Not bad at all. I would do that planting. Can't be in the ground every year. Can't. But yes, guys, lovely plants, lovely plants, lovely plants. So what, knockout? Red rose. I like this. Rose petite. I like this. So for those who are plants, what do you call it now? Plant lovers. These are the plants for you. I'm showcasing. You can get these at Home Depot. Yeah. If you're in the United States. Ooh, these things are pretty. You can get them. There's several other plants, guys. And then you have the Christmas tree down there. So Christmas soon come again. Ooh, several plants. So you can get them at Home Depot. Yeah. I'm just bringing it to you. Thank you so much for watching my plant video. Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you. And continue to watch, like, and support until I upload another video. Thank you. Thank you so much. Peace out. Bye.